Hi Tyler, it's Miss Brenner. I was asked to help support you by going over some of the items that you are missing for our course for science fiction. So I have created a list and I'm going to email that to you along with this video, so that way it'll make it a little bit easier for you to find the assignments and complete them. So let's start off with week 1. You are missing our creative writing for that week, so it is in the creative writing folder. You will need to complete this creative writing. It has 4 different writing prompts. You need to choose one and complete it with a minimum of 10 sentences. We are also missing your introduction video. So you need to complete your introduction video and then post it in the discussion. Alrighty, week 2, we are missing your creative writing. So once again, it's going to be in the creative writing folder. And it is 4 different writing prompts, and you need to pick one and complete it in 10 sentences or more. Alrighty, week 3, we are missing your Edpuzzle for Act 1, Scene 2, and your creative writing. So here is the Edpuzzle for Act 1, Scene 2, along with the No Fear Shakespeare linked at the bottom there. So if you click on the Edpuzzle, you should be able to complete it and watch it, and make sure that you submit it, so you need to let it play to the end and answer all the questions. And if you are confused by the language, please look at the No Fear Shakespeare. The creative writing is once again in the Wednesday creative writing folder, and it has the same format as the others. Alright, week 4. We are missing our Act 1 and 2 essay questions. Here, that's all of our study information. My bad. Alright, here is our questions that you are missing, and here is the foreshadowing signpost chart that you are also missing. Our Wednesday creative writing is once again in the Wednesday creative writing folder, and you are missing that as well. It has the same format as the others. Alrighty, lastly, week 5. Week 5, we are missing our essay questions for Acts 3, 4, and 5 of Midsummer Night's Dream. Sorry, I'm waiting for Schoology to load. I was wrong. It's in this folder. Come on, Schoology, work with me. Alright, there we go. There are our essay questions. You are missing those, along with your Wednesday creative writing, which is in this folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'd be happy to help, and I hope that this helps to support you in completing some of these assignments, hopefully all of them. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!